Every student's career journey starts somewhere, a spark of curiosity, a dream for the future. But how do you turn curiosity into confident planning? With SchooLinks, it's all in one place. Students explore careers using interactive tools, mentor videos, and real-world labor market insights, all tailored to their region. They can see the growth rates, wages, and opportunities that matter most, right here, right now. From trade certifications to 4-year degrees, SchooLinks connects each career to the education paths that make it possible, helping students see exactly how to get from today's choices to tomorrow's career. The Opportunity Center makes it simple to find and apply for internships, apprenticeships, or job shadows, curated by your district and matched to each student's interests. Every experience is logged and verified in SchooLinks' credential wallet. From certifications to reflections, students build a shareable portfolio that showcases who they are and what they can do, ready for employers, colleges, and beyond. Behind the scenes, SchooLinks gives districts the tools to scale work-based learning and shape student futures without adding complexity. Manage every aspect of WBL in one platform. Approve placements, track compliance, empower employer partners, and capture evaluations. No spreadsheets required. Coordinate career fairs, college visits, and workshops seamlessly. Templates, partner signups, and attendance tracking keep events organized and impactful. Track experience hours, award digital badges, and export ready-to-use CCR reports, making it easy to celebrate achievements and meet state reporting requirements. From first career exploration to real-world experience, SchooLinks connects every step, empowering students and giving districts the insight to guide them. One platform, every pathway, future ready.